Let us see type 1 hypervisor in detail. A type 1 hypervisor runs directly on the computer's physical hardware. As we have discussed, this type 1 hypervisor, it will run directly on the physical hardware. So you will take one server. On the top of this server, you will install the type 1 hypervisor. On the top of this hypervisor, type 1 hypervisor, you will create the different virtual machines. On the top of these virtual machines, you will install the operating system like Windows Server operating system. On the top of this operating system, you will install the applications. If you see here, this is the physical server here, and we are running the type 1 hypervisor on the top of this physical hardware. And it will virtualize the x86 architecture here. We can create the multiple virtual machines. In this example, we have created virtual machine 1, virtual machine 2, virtual machine 3. Okay, in virtual machine 1, virtual machine 2, virtual machine 3, all these virtual machines, we have installed the operating systems. On the top of this operating system, we have installed the application. So, type 1 hypervisor runs directly on the physical hardware, and it will directly interact with the hardware resources of the server like CPU, RAM, NIC, DVD drive. So, hardware servers are having the resources like CPU, RAM, NIC, DVD drive. As you see, it is having the hardware resources like CPU, RAM, NIC, and DVD drive. This hypervisor will directly interact with these resources, and it is also known as a bare metal hypervisor. Why it is known as a bare metal hypervisor? Because it is sitting directly on the hardware, it is sitting directly on the metal here. That is why it is known as bare metal hypervisor. And type 1 hypervisor is highly efficient because they have direct access to the physical hardware. So this type 1 hypervisor, it is highly efficient because it is interacting the hardware directly. There is no mediator between hypervisor and hardware, and it increases the security because there is nothing between hypervisor and hardware.